So, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. And I have to say, that was an interesting performance from the Reggae Boys. I will be doing a video on Tyreek Magee, but I'm going to do that video separately from this particular review video. So, it is Jamaica 1, Nicaragua. Jamaica 2, Nicaragua 0. We defeated 15 persons, 15 individuals away in an important game. So welcome back, people. Yeah, my apologies. A little bit tired. Bed me supposed to go right now. Bed me supposed to go. But anyways, the show must go on. Right now, me have the my match data, match details. Me go read out to them. First of all, the reason I said 15: referee, assistant, fourth official, fans. So that's 4 on top of the 11 that we played against today. 4 on top of the 11 players for Nicaragua that we played against. That was the officiating was horrible. A very physical game, inclusive of bad referee, inclusive of AstroTurf. Very, very difficult circumstances. With all that said, performance in general kind of left wanting, but the result was ideal. All right, so game started off. For me personally, I do think that it was most definitely a good outing for some of the players. I have the match ratings here. I'll be getting to the match ratings, but let's first discuss the game. All right, so it was an important game. Must win, well, not necessarily must win, but a game that we need to win. A game we need to win away from home. Shows stamp our class. We still have a big game coming up versus Honduras in the next week. But we started off the campaign in fine style. All right. So let me tell you, I'm gonna be honest here. I thought that Nicaragua was really good. I really thought that they were good. Unfortunately, we were dangerous in the final third. Now, I'm gonna show you something, people. You know what? May I leave it? I was going to show some little clippings, some of the clippings of Tyreek Magee, but may I leave that? I'm going to leave that specifically for a Tyreek Magee video. I'm going to do a separate Tyreek Magee video. A little bit of something like a breakdown, something like that. But overall, performance, as I said, not the best performance. I do think a few of the players were standout. Some of them were also below par, where that is concerned. And because of that, it kind of made the post-match analysis a little bit weird. You know, when we played against Cuba, what happened in the Cuba game is that we dominated possession, we dominated so much aspect of the game, but we did not score. This time around, we didn't necessarily dominate the game itself, we didn't dominate the opponent, we didn't impose ourselves on them, but guess what? We did in the final third, get the ball in the back of the net, which is definitely ideal. That's the most important thing at the end of the day. Now, what we realize is in a game like this, where you're going to need key moments, and I have to say that Tyreek Magee turned out big for us tonight. Also, Andre Blake turned out big for us tonight. These are 2 key players on the night. I do know you will find person said, MG, what did Tyreek Magee did? I would implore you, go and rewatch the game. The 2 goals that we scored were heavily involved with Tyreek imprint on it. First goal was across from Bobby Reed, but how Bobby Reed got that ball? Intricate, incisive pass in between the lines, freeing up Bobby Reed to get that ball across the box, trying to find Demar Gray, and the defender definitely forced it in the goal. Now, if I do believe though, if VAR was there, we could have been in some problems because it looks a little bit like the Demar Gray hand was extended on the player's back, but people are going to say defenders should stand up a bit stronger than that. So we get the goal. I have to be happy about it. We were being treated very, very unfairly by the referee. Extremely unfair by the referee throughout the game. Second goal, another incisive pass from Tyreek Magee to Bobby Reid, which Bobby Reid with the ball across, and it led to a corner, and we scored from that corner. What I'm saying is, Tyreek Magee was heavily involved in those goals. Now, the second aspect of it where Andre Blake come in play is we definitely conceded a lot of shots. I mean, crazy amount of shots. Too much shots for me to be comfortable with. Even though some of those shots were from range, but at the end of the day, he could have scored. And that's what happened when the midfield was not necessarily compact enough or combative enough to stop some of those shots coming up. All right, so let me just run through the match report. Technically, match report. 5 minutes in, 3 shots from the Nicaragua team. Also 5 minutes in, we're already booked. Latibodier was booked with a stupid tackle. Kick off a player turning back. Let's kick away player foot. Because one of the reasons why he did it was because he actually thought that he deserved to get a foul. And a little bit of frustration. First one, cross comes in. Big chance missed by Romario Williams. Huge chance missed by Romario Williams. I think Bobby Reid was the person who crossed that ball. 20 minutes into the game, a foul on Demarai Gray. 26 minutes, shot again from outside the box from Nicaragua. 30 minutes in, Nicaragua again, and another shot. 31st minute in, this is where we got our goal. This is where we got the incisive pass from Tyreek Magee onto Bobby Reid. Bobby Reid crossed the ball, and defender poked it inside its own net. But it could have been a foul on defense, but I'm happy that there was no VAR or anything like that. All right, let's continue. On the 32nd minute now, Steve McLaren got heated because he realized what was happening in regards to the referee. There were so much fouls on our players, but yet still the referee weren't calling it. And the moment we came close to a Nicaragua player, yellow card, foul, yellow card, foul. And it was quite evident. It was quite evident that the referee was not officiating the game problem. And Steve McLaren got a bit heated, get into the controversy. And you can see, even a little bit after that, a big save from Andre Blake, and that's basically in the 45th minute, and then another shot from the Nicaragua team. As the whistle blew off, Bobby Reid and the referee got in a heated exchange. Bobby Reid got a yellow card. Bobby Reid was very upset about the officiating as well because it was not good. Game start, second half, I think Nicaragua came out extremely heated to get it out. They kicked out like about 3, 4, 5 shots within the first 10 minutes after the second half. But nothing much came from it. 1 or 2 of them, Andre Blake was quite good and quite, how should I say, equal to the task. 46 minutes, Magee dribble pass a few of the players, get the ball to Romario. One time tap into Romario get off his shot. Shot was blocked. Actually really good. Magee was actually a really good game. Another shot from Rain in 48 minutes. That time that was actually our third shot in the first half. We had 3 shots in the first half. 3 or 2 shots in the first half, even though we scored. Yeah. Then time Nicaragua paper goal. 49 minutes, shot from range again. Nicaragua, 54 minutes. Brilliant pass and shot from Nicaragua again. 56 minutes. Magee sets up Bobby Reid. But he went off. He went for the shot and the keeper saved it. Nice save from the goalkeeper as well. 62 minutes, 62nd minute, build-up play. Again, but we involve, I think, Romario Williams laid off onto Demarai Gray. Feet Demarai Gray get off a shot, but it went a bit wide. I think the all-up play from Romario Williams was really good in the game. 67 minutes, Magee with a beautiful pass to Bobby Reid. That was another incisive pass. That was the one actually led to the corner in which we score. And a goal from Romario Williams. I thought that he was duly rewarded with that goal, even though he missed a big chance there in the earlier part. 74th minute, Mason Holgate came on for his debut. Gregley was the one who flicked the ball onto the back to the back post. And if VAR was here as well, that goal would have been wiped out because Romario Williams was actually in the offside position. You can go and rewatch it in slow motion and you will see. He was actually on the line. The defender that person thought would have kept him on side, actually in front of the goalkeeper, was a little bit in front of the goalkeeper. The defender was not actually on the line. And Gregley was upset because he thought that he would have been offside. And I said, hey, leave it, make ball going, rate it. But Referee didn't see it. Fine. Assistant didn't see it as well. Ball went in. Goal. We take that. We'll take that. Mason Greenwood came on in 74th minute for his debut. Not much to say about it. Didn't see it doing much. Interesting. Very, very interesting. He came in and played central defensive midfield. That one is interesting. I think that's a different video. That's a different talking point. So I'm going to leave that there. 76-minute shot again from Nicaragua. 77-minute, Magee came off. Really good performance from him. Cephas came on. 88 minute. First yellow card for Nicaragua. Can you imagine 80 minute first yellow card? That time they were gone about 5. 83rd minute, Gray came on for Norman Campbell. Actually, I test these players, what they did, not really much time. 87 minute, big double save from Andre Blake to keep us in the game and to keep the clean sheet. Andre Blake was really good on the night. All right, so match ratings, Andre Blake in goal, 9 out of 10. Clean sheet, really, really work hard. Did a lot of save because the Nicaragua team was peppering our goal. Really, really peppering our goal. So 9 out of 10. Tavon Gray, not much. He didn't do much, but he also kept a clean sheet, so he got a 7. Latibodir, I thought his performance was not necessarily the best, so I gave him a 7. No, I gave him a 6. My apologies. Ethan Pinnock, 7.5. He was good, calm, composed, but he had an okay game. And also positives with the clean sheet. Damien Lowe, I give Damien Lowe 8.5. I thought Damien Lowe was really good. Very, very, very active. Did a lot of defending, recovery run. Also breaking the first line of press with dribbling, bring the ball from the back. At one point they started to target him, trying to get him riled up so he can get a card. Eventually he did get a card, but I thought that Damien Lowe actually had a really good game, so I gave him 8.5. Many persons are gonna say, oh, I give Damien Lowe more than Ethan Pinnock, but I think through that game, Damien Lowe did more than Ethan Pinnock, which I said duly rewarded a little bit more where match ratings is concerned. Greg Lay had an okay game going forward, sometimes overlapping, sometimes he can tone down a little bit, but he was okay. I give Greg Lay a 7. Kira Anderson, I thought that he had a poor game. He's a player that me always look out for, but he had a poor game. Whew. I give him a 5.5. Bob Reed, I gave Bob Reed an 8. Heavily involved in both goals. I think he's more free now. The relationship between Bob Reed and Tyreek Magee was really evident. They look quite good playing together. Interchanging passes here, passing there. They look good. Sometimes Bob Reed in the attacking the midfield role. Magee out on the right. Then they switch. They keep on a switch. That kind of caused some problems for the Nicaragua defenders as well. DeMar Gray, one of his underperformed. I thought he underperformed. He was in moments, got off 1 and 2 pack shots, but I thought that we could have seen a lot better. Mostly back passes from him. I gave him a 6.5. Romario Williams scored a goal. Whole play was quite good. I thought Romario Williams had a good game, even though he missed a big chance. 1 and 2 moments where he can pass off the ball a little bit sharper, but I thought he overall had a good game. So I give Romario Williams a 8. Tyreek Magee, I gave him a 9 also. So both Tyreek Magee and Andre Blake got 9. Man of the match, it was between Tyreek Magee, but I'm going to give it to Andre Blake because of the brilliant save that he made and also keeping us into the game with the clean sheet as well. But Tyreek Magee, brilliant performance from, not brilliant. I think it was not say brilliant because he gave us what we needed. Those intricate passes which cause problems for defense. And out of those passes that we know he has in his pocket, he really, really gave us 2 goals from it. And also his defensive work rate was quite good. 2 interceptions, engaging a lot of duels, running back, tracking back, winning, making recoveries. It was good. It was quite good to see Tyreek Magee looking quite different, looking quite good. So that concludes every aspect of the game. Yeah. Coach, I'm going to give the coach an 8. Give him an 8, especially when makes him get riled up, defending his players. That is something that we needed a long time. We need to stick out for this because this is happening consistently now with those South American referees. It's horrible. It's very, very horrible. So big up yourself, McLaren, for that. Overall team performance, away from home, bad AstroTurf, referee again. So I'm going to give them a 9 for that. Overall team performance, even though I did say that the performance was necessarily the best on the pitch. But based on the circumstance, I'm going to give them a 9. All them circumstances are put together. But the playing part, we need to work on. We need to work on that. So the 9 is just the whole factor. We get the 3 points and all like the factors then put together. Yeah. But the playing part, we definitely need to work on that. Anyways, well, I think that's it. Yeah, that is it. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Have a wonderful day, people. God bless. We're out. Boom. And I mean, yo, Jamaica 2, Nicaragua 0. Big things are happening.